If you're experiencing a cloud save error on your Steam Deck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and recover your saved data. This guide will help you resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. A poor connection can prevent cloud saves from syncing properly. Test your connection by browsing the web or streaming content. Step 2. Restart Steam Deck. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Power off your Steam Deck completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This can refresh the system and help with syncing issues. Step 3. Verify game files. Open Steam and navigate to your library. Right-click on the game that is showing the cloud save error, select Properties, then go to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them if necessary. Step 4. Check Steam Cloud status. Visit the Steam Cloud status page to see if there are any ongoing issues with the cloud service. If there are outages or maintenance, you may need to wait until the service is restored before your saves can sync properly. Step 5. Manually sync cloud saves. If the error persists, you can manually force a sync. Go to the Steam settings, navigate to the Cloud section, and ensure that Enable Steam Cloud Synchronization for applications with supported is checked. Then, launch the game and see if it syncs your saves. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error on your Steam Deck. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.